Magmong Union Union Aeroport International Presiden Lalu Batu Pak Surombai Tebur Sira Kata Jadau Presidensi Kadi Indonesia Nebe Menara Azad Bagi Ramonanya Aeroport International Presiden Lalu Batu Kemudian Ko Asia Pribadi Nosi Presidenti Sisi Aidel Kamera Komersi Industri Timur Leste Koni Kecil. Taman itu bocor apa tadi? Sama itu kumpanya. Dia malu karena itu dan emang presiden kali Indonesia Pak Arzad Raz dari moto naik airport international presiden ini kalau bantu ini dia Maximus presiden PCC ideal Kamera Komersi Industri Timur Leste Koni ini Thank you. Ya. Ayo, bertujuh. Semua ikut ya. Itu ikut. Isin Gustavo, bisa Justin ya. Terus bahasa, les. Ya Bapak bisa bicara
English?
objek.
Oh,
Ya, English.
English ya? Oke. Objektif datang sini ya?
Ya, objektif.
Thank you very much, and it is a great pleasure for me to be here, and God bless to all of us. Thank you, Pak Georgie. I'm here is to improve and greater deepening our relationship between Indonesia and Timor-Leste. And this is part of what Pak Prabowo Subianto, our president, policies of what we call good neighbor policies, is how we would like to work with our neighbors to create prosperity for people, and of course peace and prosperity. And here's a very important thing. Prosperity, you cannot divide this. This is very important. When you want to have prosperity, you must have peace. Peace, and then you have to have economic growth. In economic growth, then you will have prosperity for the people. And I think we as the business is very important for us to be part of this development of our country, for our people. We are not just doing business for business, but also we are doing business to create employment and also to create economic development for our people, both the people of Timor-Leste and also the people of Indonesia. Of course, particularly here today, I bring also from NTT, which is a very just next to Timor-Leste, and that's why I bring the Kadin from NTT, Pak Bobi here, and I have here also my vice chair. That is for the borders of economic borders, economic development, or Pak Cucu here. and also brought here other participants of Indonesian businesses. Again, to deepen our relationship between Timor-Leste and Indonesia, because government to government is important, but people to people is very important. And so this is the people to people, business to business, and again, we would like to create business and synergy together for both of us. Thank you.
Bem, eu não presidente da Câmara de Comércio Indonésia, reforço a visita também da relação para o business, também a Câmara, a outra relação interpolítica, também a relação com o negócio, businessman, empresário, também a relação com o nosso país vizinho, a toda a economia, for prosperidade não se passa, não temos até sem paz, lá é prosperidade, sem prosperidade não é paz. Portanto, ainda minha primeira visita a Timor, nesta presente Câmara de Comércio e Indústria Indonésia, e Oxford, que está assim, solar já também, atuarei, a equipa toma, atuarei vantagem ser no Timor, no serviço a moto. O objetivo é a toda a economia da
Obrigado. Thank you.
Obrigado.
Pak Suwardi, sama saya Pak, mari.
Duluan. Ngerti ya? Inilah. Dia kemalu cari nama informasi yang dia ambil relata itu bocor. Kita acompanha fatihnya etapa ter. Oh, how no vai magro se feliz de televisão de morar.